Good morning, my dear students. This is the part 2 video of Unit 1 of Class 3, that is Geometry. Under this Geometry topic, we have learned about the various different important topics, but now in this part 2 video, I am going to teach you how to name the angles by the 4 method. In the previous video, I have just taught you how to name the angles by only the one method, okay? Only one method. But here, I am going to teach you how to name the angles by the 4 method, okay? So, here is the name alphabet U, V and W. Okay, U, V and W. So now I am going to tell you the first method. Okay, and you know about the angles, isn't it? The space that is formed between the two rays, the angle. And the first method to name the angle is you have to write, first of all, write a sign, okay? And you have to write U, V, W. And I am repeating it many times that you have to write this V in the middle, because V is the common point. V is the common point where the angle is formed. So that's why V should be in the middle. And this is the first method of naming the angles. And I have done this from up to down, isn't it? Now you can write the name of an angles in the second number by down to up. You can write here angle WBU. Okay, I've just reversed. Okay, I've just reversed this name, but B is in its own place. Okay, B should be compulsorily in the middle. Okay, now third method to name these angles is, now look at the point. Okay, here is the point where the angle is formed, and this point is named as V. So you can write the angle V directly. Okay. Now fourth one method is, here the space is formed. Okay, in which there is a certain gap, and in this certain gap there is written the 1. The 1 lekhieko cha, so that you can write here angle 1. So these are the 4 methods to name the angles of this given figure. Okay. So now comparing the size of angles, अब size ला compare गर्नु पर्यो angle को size लाई. So in this first blank you have to write the name of bigger one angle. जुन ठुलो angle छ त्यो लेख्नु पर्यो यहाँ. And in this second blank you have to write the name of angle which one is a smaller. And how will you identify? How will you get to know that which one is a bigger or a smaller? Now I am going to tell you how to identify. So you have to see the figure. First of all, there will be given you two figure. There will be the two figure, so that you can compare. Okay, so comparison always happen between the two things or more than two things. So obviously it is given the two figure. Now you have to identify which one is a bigger. So look here, the space. Look here in the first figure, the space between these two ray is little bit more, and the space between the two ray of a second figure is less. Okay, then what you have to do, जुन फिगरमा चाहिँ धेरै स्पेस हुन्छ, जुन फिगरमा रे को बीचमा धेरै स्पेस हुन्छ, त्यो एंगललाई तिम्रो के हुन्छ त, ठुलो हुन्छ. That angle will be your bigger angle. That angle will be your greater angle. So look here, this figure, between this figure, so which one, okay, in which figure there is a large space between the two ray? Obviously this one. So this one angle will be your greater one. So you have to write here angles. What is the name of this? What is the name of this figure? Sorry, angle A, B, C. So and the name of this smaller one angle is what? Angle P, Q, L. So angle ABC is greater than angle PQL. Okay, now I am going to teach you how to name the vertices, sides and angles of a triangle. I think in your junior classes you were taught about the triangle. You were taught about the triangle and how many corners or how many angles or how many vertices does it have or how many sides does it have, isn't it? So it is a figure of triangle and I have named it as a CAT. Okay, so you have to name its triangle. You have to give the name to the triangle also. You have to write the vertices also. You have to write the sides also. You have to write the angles also. Now, okay, what is the name of this triangle? Obviously CAT. So, and while writing the name of the triangle, you have to make a small triangle. Okay, you have to make a small triangle, and after that you have to write the alphabet that are used in the drawing. Okay. And the vertices. Vertices means it is the point where the two line segments meet, isn't it? You know well about that. So this is the point, or vertex is the point where the two lines meet. So here are altogether three vertices. Okay, three vertices. So first vertices name is C. First vertex is named as a C. After that, second vertex is named as a. After that, third vertex is named as T. So this is your vertices name. This is the name of vertex of a triangle. Likewise, the sides. Okay, sides means these lines. Okay, the lines that are used to make a complete triangle, that is called the sides. Now, or you can say that it's line segment. Okay, there are three line segments. Okay, and you have to write the name of that. So first line segment is CA. The name of the first line segment is CA. So write CA. Likewise, second one is AT. Likewise, third one is TC. Okay. So this is your side name. Likewise, angles name. Okay. Angles name you can write by the 4 method. Okay. But here I am going to write the name of an angle by the method that I have done in the first part 1 video. Okay. This is the first one with the word. First of all, when you are going to write the name of this angle, then what you have to do, you have to put this C in the middle of A and T. So you have to write first of all angle sign, then you have to write this, put this C in the middle. Okay, A, C, T. After that, when you are going to write the name of this angle, then you know this is the point. Okay, where these two line segments meet, isn't it? And this point is named as A. So A should be in middle while writing the name of this angle. So what will happen? That angle CAT. Likewise, the name of the last angle is this one. Okay, here is made an angle at the point T. So T should be in the middle. So last one angle name is angle ATC. Okay, so this is the method to name the vertices, sides and the angles of triangle given on the board. Likewise, second topic that I am going to introduce in front of you is how to name the vertices, sides and angles of quadrilateral. I think you know well about the quadrilateral. Quadrilateral have 4 sides, okay, 4 corners, 4 angles, 4 vertices, isn't it? And you can be clear by this figure also. You can see here, okay, you can identify this figure, okay, you can judge that how many vertices or sides or angles does the quadrilateral have. This is not hard, okay, this one is easy. So you have to write here the name. So the name or the alphabet that are used in this figure is what? You have to write that, okay. While writing the name of a quadrilateral, you have to write here Q, quadrilateral, QUAD, quadrilateral, okay. You have to write a short form of quadrilateral, QUAD, quad, okay, and you have to write the name PQRS, PQRS, okay. After that, vertices name. So there are 4 vertices, 1, 2, 3, 4. So you have to write the name. First vertex name is P. After that, second vertex name is Q. After that, third vertex name is R. And fourth vertex name is S. And one more thing, okay, I want to say that if you are going from, either you go from P, Q, R, S or S, R, P, but don't flip, okay. यदि P देखि start गर्छौ भने तिमी यहाँ P, R, Q, S गर्यो भने तिम्रो wrong हुन्छ. P देखि सुरु गरेछौ भने Q मा जाऊ, Q देखि सुरु गरेछौ R मा जाऊ, R देखि सुरु गरेछौ भने S मा. तिमीले यसो गर्न पाइन. P, R, Q, S गर्यो भने के हुन्छ? Wrong हुन्छ. Either you go from right to left or left to right, okay. So you have to do like that, okay. Likewise, the sides name. Sides name, there are 4 line segments you can see here. So you have to write the name of sides. PQ, first one line segment is PQ. After that, QR. After that, RS. After that, SP. So after that, now angles turn. How will you name the angles? So this one is a vertex. There is a 4 vertex, okay, where the angle is formed. You can write the name also. But before this, I taught you about how to name the angles by the four method. So I am going to apply the third method. Okay, I am going to apply the third method to name the angles of a quadrilateral, because there will be the four angles. So if you will do like this, isn't it? It will seem so dirty. So that's why I'm going to tell you the little bit easy method, quite easy method. So you are going to name the angles of this given quadrilateral by this angle. What is the name of this point? Obviously P. So angle P, you can write like this. After that, angle Q. After that, angle R and angle S. So this is the method to name the vertices, sides and angles of a quadrilateral. Okay, now I'm giving you homework. Okay, and the first question is like this. Name the angles by four method. Here I given the figure, isn't it? Now we have to name these angles by the four method. Okay, as I taught you, isn't it, that how to name the angles by the four method. First of all, you have to go from up to down, isn't it? Okay, like as you have to write angle M and O, isn't it? Likewise you can go in reverse. Okay, angle O and M, but be careful that this N should be in the middle, because this is the, okay, at the angle, at the point and the angle is formed. So that's why N should be in the middle. Like the third method is you have to write directly, this is a point. Okay, what is the name of the point where the angle is formed? Obviously N. Okay, so you can directly write angle N. Okay, and the fourth method is in the where the angle is formed, there is written a 2. Okay, so you can write angle 2. So this is the way to solve this question. Like the second number question, name the vertices, arms and angles of a triangle. I have taught you before this, isn't it? How to give the name to the triangle, how to name the vertices, sides and angles, isn't it, of a triangle. So name, you have to write triangle, you have to make a small triangle. After that you have to write the alphabet that I have used in this figure, and the alphabet that I have used in this figure is SLC. So triangle SLC. Likewise the vertices. Okay, vertices means it is the point where the two line segments are made. So here are the 3 point, okay, 3 vertex. Okay, so you have to write the name of that vertex, S, L, C. Like with the sides, what you have to do, side, there are the sides means the line segment. There are altogether 3 lines. Okay, we have completed to make a one triangle, complete triangle. So you have to write like this, S, L, C, and C, S. That's it. Okay, look at the angles. What you have to do, the angle is in each point. Okay, there is angle formed. There are altogether 3 angles. You have to write the angles like this. What you have to do, first of all, for this angle, there is a point S, isn't it? So you have to write this point in the middle, write this S in the middle. Okay, so you have to write angle CSL, angle SLC, angle LCS. So that's it. Now 3 number question is like this. Name the vertices, arms and angles of a quadrilateral. What you have to do, you have to write the name of a quadrilateral. First of all, you have to write short form of quadrilateral, QUAD. Dot. After that, you have to write the alphabet that I have used, E, F, G, H. And then vertices. Vertices is the point where the 2 line segment meet. So there are the 4, altogether 4 vertex. Okay, so you have to write E, F, G, H. Like with the sides. Sides means the lines. Okay, there are altogether 4 lines. You have to write the name of that lines in sides. Okay, so E, F, G, H, E. Okay, likewise the angles name. What do you have to do? So angle is formed at a certain point which is named as a different alphabet. So you can directly write angle E, angle F, angle G and angle H. So this much for today. I hope you will do at your homework, at your home. So this much for today. Thank you so much.